So I'd like to hear from you all what you've seen as a result of COVID-19.
People who never thought they'd be in this situation, that have always been able to provide for their family, are coming, asking for help, and it's a bit of a hit to their pride to ask for food, but we're just trying to be as encouraging as we can to let them know that we're there for them and that we're all in this together.
New people calling for utilities. Every day, new people.
And even though the utilities put moratoriums on shut-offs, people don't want to get shut off. People who, the bill is due on the 20th, I want to be able to pay it by the 20th. They're just not used to being in that situation where I can't pay this bill. And a lot of people are scared, and a lot of people, they haven't received unemployment yet. They just don't know how are they going to pay their rent in May? How are they going to pay the utilities in May?
I think here in shelter for us, part of the issue that we're dealing with is we may have some working families here in shelter, but it's hard to get them housed now because everything is shut down. So people need an ID, the BMV is closed, Social Security. So that's where we're running into issues. Is sometimes trying to house families. Everything is working very slowly, if at all, and it really kind of slows down the process for us trying to work with these families and move them through our shelter and get them out into permanent housing.
So we've been putting together an online application for Ucan. This application has typically been an in-person application that needs to be submitted in paper, but what we've been doing right now, first and foremost for the COVID-19 times when you can't really have those face-to-face interactions, and then for going forward in the future as well, so that there can be an easier way to apply for people who maybe can't get out of their house or they just can't make it into the office.
I wanted to say something that is kind of on a different light. I've noticed people that have been helped previously through UCAN and some of our different funds, and they are calling asking how they can give back. So we've had people, show up with food, to donate in monetary amounts, and they will share their stories of, how we helped them in the past, and they now want to give forward to other people that were in a situation that they were in before.
Going on along with what Stacy said, yeah, we've had a lot of people donating their stimulus checks. We don't need this, but here, give this to somebody who does need it, and that's been very, very neat to see. Sure.
The response has been really overwhelming and heartwarming, and it's people are supporting us, and we really appreciate that.